I have always really liked the Hunter Star.
Yep.
Let's show you how to do
Okay.
it. These are the ones that we're gonna make for a 12-inch block.
Okay.
So that's a B, and you're gonna cut that off. Then you're gonna take that smaller block and you're gonna cut it this side, and then you're gonna turn it and you're gonna cut it again and look like that.
Oh.
And then you've got one of these on, and they're gonna go different directions.
Wow.
Line it up, and it lines up absolutely perfect.
Yeah, it does.
Then we're gonna end up with one that looks like this, okay? What you're gonna do is you're gonna take one of your triangles from your squares that you had, and you're going to attach it right here.
Oh.
You're gonna take this one here with the other one that you have, a whole bunch of other ones, and you're gonna sew them together, and your other one's gonna go here. So here's your 4 right here.
I love that.